Welcome back to Rugged Roots. Today we're going to be fixing this old John Deere lawn tractor. Let's get into it. So I got some help and I dragged it out of the shed in front of the garage. So now I'm going to wipe some of the muddy stuff down, clean up and probably take out the battery, and hopefully pump up the tires. I tried using the bike pump, which obviously didn't work. So, oh, there's my filming stuff. I got the air compressor, and we're going to see how that works. So I was checking these. Oh, is that it? Yeah, here we go. Yes, you push this down, then it blows through. Yeah, this will work perfectly for blowing leaves. Let's go attach it. Alright, so now I have a bucket of water. I'm going to wash everything out. I'm going to take out the battery first because I don't want to get electrocuted. Alright, so now that I have the battery out, I'm going to use my bucket and cloth and just try and clean up this stuff because it's actually really muddy, and wipe all this, everything green down and all that, maybe a little bit of the engine, and get it nice and shiny. I also quickly looked around for the fuses there. I don't know if you can see that little blue thing. Right there, those two. And one of them was burnt out, so I replaced it. So now what we gotta do is get a new battery, and it should be good. Alright, so I've cleaned all up in here, which you can actually see the little board there now. Wiped down all the controls and stuff, wiped all of the green as much as I could, then quickly did just a little bit on the engine. I think it looks pretty good. But to continue with this project, I think we need to get a new battery. So I'll wait till next time I'm in town and then pick one of those up. But till then, I think I'm done for the day. So I'll put the hood back on and yeah, call her a day. So it's the next day, and just because I wanted to get things done really fast, I didn't video myself. But I put gas in the gas tank, and we got the new battery and hooked that up. So that's all good. And then I also got this stuff. It just kind of, cleans the everything gas related, basically. So that should help. And then I also got this stuff, which I just sprayed into the carburetor right here, hoping that would clean it up at least a little bit. And yeah, so now I guess we have to see how it runs. I'm gonna put the top back on and we'll test it out. Okay, so let's turn the key and try and do this all one-handed. There we go. Okay, so it's on. So I'm going to turn this up. It's going to probably get pretty loud, so I don't think I'll be able to talk. But then after that's up, I'm going to try and go forward and then try and reverse back into my spot, I guess. Well, that went super well. The engine sounded awesome. Yeah, that's great. All right, so just to recap, we pumped up the tires. We put gas in the tank. We did the carburetor stuff, the gas cleaning things, and we put a new battery in. So I would say overall, this has been super successful. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.